Wish to mix with.
Welcome back yet into another episode. This is Word Connect. Let's explore the world together. Yes, so guys, today we are testing street food, and right now I'm in Kalere. We are going to test salawano obanyama choma. Yes, sliced meat organs, right? Sliced meat cow organs. Yeah, it's very delicious. And after this, of course, we shall see more. Keep it locked. Let me take you through the whole video. Yes, can you show us? I want you to give me for 1,000 on a plate with. Do you have plates?
I may be not having a lot of plates, but I can have some.
You can have some.
Just one.
Okay. So what about the bananas? This red banana.
555.
One is for 500.
Yes.
Okay. So I want you to give me, guys. I want to test this banana and this one. Then I'll let you know how it tastes. Yes, this is street food, Kampala, Uganda. We shall go with the banana first. It's gonna repeat. Is it so, Derek? He's peeling it. Let's see what it has to offer. Wow, it looks so attracting. It looks so delicious. We have to taste to confirm whether it's really delicious. Wow, check how he's slicing it. All right, so I'm gonna have it from here, right? And yes, make for me for 1,000 first. The meat for toothpick. Yes. Yeah, these guys are really very organized, and yeah, you eat it with a toothpick. Check. Yes. So this is my meat. I don't want to serve myself. My boss, you can maybe. For 1,000 first. Yes. I'm eating more. First put for 1,000. I want to test first. So guys, this is our sliced organs. Wow. So come and see. This is for 1,000. It's about 11 pieces, 5 pieces. Eric,
Let me have the test.
all right. I want to show the guys. I want them to have the feeling of the taste. It's very tasty, it's very delicious, and it's healthy because they give it to you. They serve it very hot. Yes, this is salawano. If you ever come across Uganda, if you ever come to Uganda, you should taste salawano. Yes, the biggest market for salawano is in here in Kalere. Yes, so guys, right now I'm in Wandegea, one of the most common destination for grilled chicken in Kampala, Uganda. Trust me, if you come to Uganda and you don't taste Wandegea grilled chicken, you have not seen it all. We're gonna test it and have a bite. Yeah, I'll let you know if it's really worth it. Thank you. Keep it locked to Word Connect. So yes guys, they are serving our chicken. We're gonna test it and see if it's really worth it. Don't forget, this is Wandegea. I provided the contacts in case you would like to test this chicken. Wow, it looks really, guys, look at this.
All the ingredients. I mean, yeah, we're there, you know, the pack up of the yeah, we're there. Right.
So, bro, what makes your chicken taste really different from our chicken?
From our chicken, yeah, here We have different spices. We mix in this chicken. Yo, others they just come to this business. I don't know how many ingredients we use to mix this chicken. Yeah,
It's a lot, eh?
yeah, it's a lot of ingredients we use to mix up this chicken. Yeah, that's how it brings a delicious taste when someone tastes.
Guys, better come across and taste one Wandegea chicken. Keep it locked as we taste another street food.
Thank you.
Yes, so we are going to taste the third street food, and it's none other than a Rolex. A Rolex is one of the most common street food in Kampala, Uganda. Yes. Social anxiety is killing me, but it's okay. I'll manage. Yo, bro, how are you? Yeah, make for me a Rolex. Derek, catch him taking this Rolex. Bro, chechiriwo.
Tewali blazo
Amanya
Bulondo Muhammad.
kati no Rolex otaddemu birungo ki?
Etaddemu obutungulu n'ennyaanya ne cabbage.
Lwaki bagiyita Rolex?
Olw'okuba nti nsiikiddemu amagi.
Nsiikiremu amagi. Kale webale nnyo.
Kale blazo.
Take a bite. Take a bite. Take a bite.